Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for coming and stopping by here, and I hope you come back. I'm just showing you all my fall pillow collection that I completed today. I've made 5 of these fall pillows, and I will be making probably about 10 Christmas themed pillows for the holiday seasons. I use polyfill for my pillows so that they are nice, soft, and cushiony. And I buy my fabric from Walmart to put these together. So these are just additional handmade crafts that will be on my craft table. And these are some of my best sellers. So I will always be making pillows to go on my tables. I'm also probably going to make some bigger pillows too. But these have turned out beautifully. And I'm pairing them up in sets. So this is one set here with the plaid and the flower pillow. I think they go very well together. And then another set here is my flower pattern pillows that I paired with the orange pumpkin looking pillow. And they are very, very nice. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed. But most importantly, y'all, continue to be a blessing. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.